Hello.
And what kinds of processing methods are currently used for the marking in the PCB? And comparing with the traditional methods, how does the laser technology improve, or what advantages does it have?
Before the laser, normally is using the label or the ink. I remember during I graduated from the university, we need to do the laser to do the mark of the PCB, like the serial number, some things. And then normally it's using the label, is printing the label from the printer and then to paste on the PCB. So it costs a lot of the manpower to only doing the labeling. For the laser marking they have one main advantage is the permanent marking. After laser shooting on the PCB board, it will be able to marking the content, and it is the permanent marking. It's not removable, and all the process is automatically. No need to do the by manual, so it's able to save the manpower also. For the future applications, I think they have some new trend. It's like right now all the electronic products, all the customers and users, they needed smaller, smart. So the PCB products also more precision. For example, previously is the big PCB, and right now is going to the smaller one. And then if it's able to process in the front side, then no need to go into the underside.
Okay. So besides the opportunities, is there any risk in the future development in your opinion?
As per my opinion, for the shortly, the main risk is the globally economic is waning, and the requirement, the whole globally requirement is have some like the not so stable is dropping, especially after the pandemic is dropping. But for the long terms, the main risk I think still is the technical is able to meet the end user, the marketing requirements. They have some change of the production, and the technology have some changes. So that's why they have some safe requirements, and also the IC substrate requirements is increasing a lot.